Hello everyone, and welcome to the first-person shooter tutorial series. In this series, we are going to cover the core mechanics and most essential parts of the first-person shooter games. In this series, as well as every video on my channel, we are not going to use blueprint nodes like event tick, casting, delay nodes, get all actors of class and similar, because these nodes can impact heavily on the performance. Instead, you're going to learn blueprints, best practices, and how to make games with optimized and production-ready blueprints such as blueprint interface, timers, tags, and others. By the end of this series, you're going to learn attaching the weapon to our character and starting the game with the gun in our hands, single-fire projectiles with the gun, automatic fire projectiles with the gun, update ammo on the screen, press R to reload if you have ammo, automatic reload when we spend all the ammo, we're going to learn ammo pickup, we're going to learn line trace by channel, player walk sprint, and much more. So join me in this series and learn programming best practices and how to make games with optimized and production ready blueprints. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.